Welcome back. Today, we are learning 10 essential English words for the house. Let's get started.
Washing machine.
Washing machine. Now, repeat after me. Washing machine.
Washing machine. Dryer.
Dryer. Let's say that word together. Dryer.
Dryer. Microwave.
Microwave. Now, repeat after me. Microwave.
Microwave. Broom.
Broom. Can you say it with me? Broom.
Broom. Mop.
Mop. Now, repeat after me. Mop.
Mop. Iron.
Iron. Give it a try. Repeat the word. Iron.
Iron. Vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner. Let's say that word together. Vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner. Bucket. Bucket.
Let's say that word together.
Bucket.
Bucket.
Towel.
Towel. Let's say that word together. Towel.
Towel. Soap.
Soap. Let's say that word together. Soap.
Soap. You've got this. Time for a quick review of all the words.
What is this?
Washing machine. Washing machine.
Do you know what this is?
Dryer. Dryer.
What is this?
Microwave. Microwave.
Do you know what this is?
Broom. Broom.
What is this?
Mop. Mop.
Do you remember what this is?
Iron. Iron.
What is this?
Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner.
Do you remember what this is?
Bucket. Bucket.
Do you know what this is?
Towel. Towel.
What is this?
Soap. Soap.
Thanks for learning with us. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.